My name is William Sana Abubakar. I am here to present the importance of English language in our life. English language is very important to any student of Amin Kano Upper Basic Secondary School. Today, Alhamdulillah, I am found with classmates who can ask them about grammar. I am Sana Abubakar. Do you understand about grammar?
This is Amina Sani Abubakar. I am class JS2 from Amin Kano Upper Basic School. I am presenting the meaning of grammar. Grammar is the art of putting the right word in the right place. Let us see. The we can discover what are the right place and the right word. That's going to them. All English be put according to the word they do. Into 8 and only 8 box. These boxes are parts of speech.
Muhammad Sunusi, can you add in information about grammar?
My name is Muhammad Sunusi from the school. Grammar can be defined as a rules and regulations that control use of English. In other words, grammar can be seen as the process of putting the right idea in place. I am presenting the meaning of preposition. Preposition is a word which creates place and relationship between a noun or pronoun and another. What is the sentence preposition?
Can you explain about verb?
My name is Fatima Abdullah from the study. I am presenting the meaning of verb. Verb is a word, the action, sign, icon, the block, or the bind as it or a bind as if almost every sentence requires a verb. The basic from the verb.
Can you explain about adverb?
I am presenting the meaning of adverb. Adverb is a word that with a verb. Adjective. On other adverb, adverb, tell, or hold.
Can you explain about conjunction?
From an income private system, I am representing the meaning of conjunction. Conjunction are words that join one verb together to representing both sentences.
About interjection?
My name is Sufaya Mustafa Muhammad from Upper Basic. I am here to explain of adverb. Interjection is a word or phrase that expresses thought, emotion, or
Okay, Fatima Bashir,